Should have brought a crawler. It's gonna be a nightmare of a day. Fuck. Got the water lines going up to the washer, shower, toilet, vanity sink, this tub shower. Kitchen sink, mains, second bathroom, vanity, toilet, and these ones are already tied in underneath for that shower. I'm gonna go grab the extra shit that I need to get.
Yeah, she said however long it takes, whatever. She's surprised we're gonna be done today. Painless.
Yeah, for you.
Sorry.
It's around 6:30 p.m. We finished up this house. Got it all repiped. All new water lines from showers, sinks, washer boxes, you name it. It's all in. Kitchen sink. Here's the main coming up. So she got a new shut-off valve so she doesn't have to crawl underneath here. This is the main feed to all the cold. Obviously the hot coming off. Hot water heater repiped. New washer box. Toilet. Vanities. Shower. Vanities, toilet. Like I said, this guy got done underneath. So that's it. That's a mobile home repipe. Got rid of all the old Quest PEX, installed new Aqua PEX, and we are done. Got one more no heat call to finish up for tonight, and that's it. We'll see you tomorrow.